plastic. 12 million tons of it end up in the ocean every year. The deadliest kind are discarded fishing lines and nets. Each year, it's likely over 500,000 animals are ensnared and killed by these ghost nets. But some animals are learning how to take advantage of the plastic rafts and use them for shelter or even as a home. This male Columbus crab, barely bigger than your thumbnail, is a castaway. Clinging to his net, he may have been drifting on ocean currents for months. Now, fully grown, he needs to find a partner. But where? Certainly not here, alone on the net. Columbus crabs are not good swimmers, so this male is marooned. Perhaps a passing loggerhead turtle could be the chance to hitch a lift. Made it. But there is more than one passenger here. A female Columbus crab. They waste no time in getting acquainted and start to mate. This pair may well stay together for the rest of their lives. A turtle, after all, makes an excellent home. In return, the crabs provide an on-board grooming service.